Snowstorm threatens Northeast with blizzard, Mid-Atlantic with freeze-over. More than 4,600 flights scheduled for Thursday and Friday have been cancelled due to the storm menacing the East Coast, the flight tracking website FlightAware.com reported around 7 a.m. ET on Friday. There are roughly an equal number called off Friday and preemptively for Saturday. The National Weather Service's blizzard warning now includes Philadelphia and New York City, which had been under a less dire blizzard watch. This means that severe winter weather conditions, falling and blowing snow, strong winds and whiteout conditions are expected or occurring. Snow is covering roads in and around several major cities in North Carolina, including Asheville and Greensboro. The local National Weather Service office said the state's Research Triangle, which includes Raleigh, Durham and Chapel Hill, will see a mix of snow and sleet Friday morning, with sleet and freezing rain expected in the afternoon. Washington, D.C., is forecast to start getting snow late Friday afternoon and then get hit hard that night, when 10 to 14 inches of snow could fall. Another 9 to 13 inches is possible Saturday before the precipitation wraps up sometime after midnight. The snow will be accompanied by sustained winds of up to 30 miles per hour and gusts of 10 or more miles per hour stronger than that. The next government shutdown is coming soon, compliments of a snowstorm. Around noon, federal agencies will shutter ahead of a blizzard headed for Washington. But that's a minor moment in the massive winter storm raking over at least a dozen states with 75 million people in its path. It will dump 2 feet or more on the Capitol, then it will take similar fury up to the Northeast at least as far as New York City. It has already begun paving an icy blotch of freezing rain, sleet or snow from Little Rock, Arkansas, through the Mid-Atlantic while stirring trouble as far south as Florida. There's more to this storm than just the snow and ice that we're predicting, said CNN meteorologist Derek Van Dam. Along its southernmost fringes, it could throw down thunderstorms and large hail. Even tornado watches spread across the Gulf Coast. States of emergency have been called in Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Maryland, Virginia and North Carolina, and they stretch as far south as the northernmost counties of Georgia.